In this tutorial, we'll talk about a resource that could be quite handy. It's called the book resource, and we'll take a look at the grade 8 social studies course. And if we scroll down into some of the topics, you can see that these green sections, these are the book icons. So these are all books. And if you want to have a quick peek inside of one, Canada's Cultural Diversity, you click on the title, and this is the view that both you as a non-editing teacher right now and your students will have. So here is the inside of this book. It has a table of contents on the side. You can see that this book has 4 chapters, and each page can have icons or images. You can put videos, you can do hyperlinks, anything you can do in the other categories. So if I back out again, and I would like to add in a new book, I'm going to turn my editing on. Remember, I can do that from the administration tab or also in the top corner of my course. And I could add an activity or a resource, and here is the book file right here. And it starts with a brand new book without any chapters in. But if I just want to edit Canada's Cultural Diversity, if I'm in editing mode, you can see these icons have shown up now. And here is how you can change some of the books, the chapters around. So let's say I don't want Come to Canada as the first chapter. I want to move it down. I want it to be the second chapter. You push the down button and there it goes. Oh, you know what? I think I liked it better the first way. So I push the up button and it moves right back up to the top again. This hide button, this eyeball, you can choose to hide this one particular chapter. If it's something you are working on, you don't want the students to see just yet, you can hide it from their view, but then you can continue to work on it. As soon as you want it visible, you click that button again. If you would like to delete a chapter, you can hit the delete button. And if you hit it by accident, it's no big deal. It brings up another screen that says, are you sure you want to do this? If you choose the gear, the cogwheel, just like the other activities, it opens up where you can edit. So here I can add in another video, I can change the spelling, I can do whatever I want in here. I can also add in a new page. Let's say that Come to Canada, I want to add another page that's part of this chapter. I don't want it to be a separate chapter by itself. Maybe I want to call it Immigration. I would choose it to be a subchapter of the first chapter. So I need to have that checkbox done. And this is where I type in all my content. So when I save these changes, watch how it shows up in the table of contents. It shows up as 1.1. It is part of the first chapter, but it gets its own page. If I wanted to add another chapter, another page after this one, but still part of the same subchapter, it gives me that option as well. Maybe it's Immigration. Oops, I should spell it right. And here is where I type my content and my videos. And again, that checkbox was selected, so it becomes 1.2. But you know what? Oh, I made a mistake. I don't want it to be 1.2. I want it to be a chapter by itself. I could go and edit in the settings. All I do is take that check mark away, and it becomes a chapter of its own. Okay, so I hope this video helps you with editing and using the book feature in Moodle. Thanks for watching.